In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix common camera problem on your Windows. So let's get started. Like you cannot open your camera because there is something went wrong, or you are in a blue, like when you click on camera and it just display a blue screen or a white screen. So let's go quick into the fixes. So click on the start button and click on this settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate privacy and security. Scroll down and here under app permissions, you can find camera. Click on that. So make sure that camera access is on. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on. Make sure this is enabled. And for let apps access your camera, make sure this is enabled too, especially for the applications that needs to access your camera like Zoom, WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, or any other applications. Once this is done, close this. Next method, you also need to make sure that your Windows operating system is updated. So click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here to update your Windows. So this will be checking for all the updates, and then once you're up to date, just simply restart your Windows once, okay? Next method, you have to make a right click at the start button, and here you have to open the device manager window. Once the device manager window is opened, if you cannot find your cameras from here, click on like on the username, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes. This will scan for all the hardware changes. And you can also click on view and click on show hidden devices until you can find your cameras from here. So once you find your cameras, click on your or locate your camera driver, make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. You can also update it the second way, make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. Then still in the device manager window for the next method, make a right click and then select uninstall device. Click on the uninstall button. Once you have uninstalled it, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes, and that will automatically reinstall the camera driver on your Windows, okay? The next method is through the registry editor. So open your registry editor, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type reg edit, click on it. Once you open the like the registry editor window, you need to follow this path. Don't worry, the registry path will be posted in the description section of this video. So we have HQ local machine, software, and then we have wow 6432 node, and then we have Microsoft. And then next is the Windows Media Foundation and then the platform. Then you click on the platform folder on the open space on the right pane, make a right click, select new, select the word 32-bit value. Then you have to name this capital letter E, small n a b l e, enable, capital letter F, small r a m e, capital letter S, small e r v e r, and capital letter M, small o d e. Enable frame server mode, click on the open space and then double click. Change the value data to 0 and click on OK. Close the registry and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.